Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Let's be real. Most of us use Google like it's 2005. You type stuff, click stuff, maybe misspell a few words and then scroll endlessly. But what if I told you there are Google cheat codes? Yes, actual digital magic that can make you faster, smarter and 87% cooler online. Today, I'm gonna share 10 powerful shortcuts from hidden search hacks to browser keyboard combos that will save you time, clicks, and effort every single day. So let's jump right in. So, the first shortcut is how to switch between tabs like a keyboard ninja. So, if you want to switch to the next tab, then press Ctrl plus Tab. And there you go. You have been shifted to the next tab. And if you want to go back to the previous one, then you would have to press Control plus Shift plus Tab. And there you go. You have arrived to the previous tab. Now, if you have multiple tabs open up, and let's say if you want to go to the fourth tab, then you would need to press Control plus 4. And just like that, we've arrived at the fourth tab. So if you want to go to a specific tab, then just press Control plus the sequence number in which the tab's available. Now the next shortcut will be how to reopen a closed tab. So if you've ever closed a tab accidentally, this shortcut key is going to be a lifesaver. It's basically like an undo button for your internet regrets. So let's say if you close the tab by mistake, then if you just press Ctrl plus Shift plus the letter T, there you have your tab back again. Now the next shortcut is how to jump directly to the address bar. And for that, all you need to do is just press Ctrl plus the letter L. And there we go. This shortcut sends your cursor to the address bar like it has VIP access. So now all you need to do is just type and you'll arrive directly to the site. And now the next shortcut is how to open incognito window. So for that, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus the letter N. This is perfect for researching surprise gifts, secret side hustles, or just avoiding ads based on your questionable late night Google searches. The next shortcut allows you to open a new tab instantly. So just press Ctrl plus the letter T, and there you go, you have a complete new search tab open here. So if you're a multitasker and have one tab for work, one for YouTube, and one for whatever the third tab is, this shortcut is really handy for you. Now, if you're looking for that one word in a sea of text, this shortcut is your digital flashlight. So if you just press Ctrl plus F, and here we have opened a type in section. So this shortcut basically allows you to find words on any page. So if you just go ahead and type in for the word you're looking for, it will highlight it directly. There you go. While looking for something important, if you found something worth saving, don't just copy and paste. Just bookmark it with this next shortcut. Press Ctrl plus the letter D, and here you have your bookmark section open. So from here, you can go ahead and edit your bookmark. You can change the name and shorten the long name or add in your own title. And then if you just click on done, now this page will be bookmarked. And later, if you want to check your bookmark tab, you can just click on this three dot option and go down and click on the bookmark and list. And then from here, click on the show all bookmarks. And as you can see, our bookmark tab is reflected here. The next shortcut is how to open your downloads page. So if you want to find out where that file went, this shortcut is your lost and found. No more digging through File Explorer like you're on a scavenger hunt. And now the last shortcut key is how to close your current tab. And for that, you need to click on Ctrl plus W. And there we go, your open tab is gone. So, well, that was it. Now you know 10 insanely useful Google and browser shortcuts. So, whether you're a student, content creator, or someone who just has 47 tabs open at all times, these shortcuts will save your sanity. So, drop in the comments below which of these tabs blew your mind and which one are you already using like a pro. So, if this video helped you out, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.